Hawane Stables, located in the northern part of Eswatini in the Hoa region, is a safe space where one can learn how to ride a horse. The groom, Samgeliso Star Dlamini, introduced me to this black beauty. Hello and welcome to yet another brilliant episode. My name is Nelly Swamakanya and we are here to show you activities that you can get up to in this wonderful bushfire weekend that we are having. There's a lot of exciting places as well that we want to show you in the kingdom of Eswatini that you can visit. Let's go because this is about to be exciting. Right now as I'm here, I'm at the Hawane Stables where I'm already seated on this wonderful horse. I'll be doing horse riding and the name of this guy here is called Neo. So I'm about to have a nice time. Enjoy. Let me get you acquainted with the kingdom of Eswatini as I get acquainted with my friend here, Neo. Our first stop in this bushfire weekend will be Maguga Lodge, where we are doing a boat ride. That is our activities that you can get up to in the kingdom of Eswatini. As I go around Hawane with Neo, I'm sure this is the first stop you'll enjoy to see. Let's go, Neo. Eswatini has a multitude of activities to enjoy. Maguga Lodge is one unique accommodation overlooking the gorgeous Maguga Dam. The lodge provides a boat ride right on this dam, and I chose to take this ride with a few of my friends. Our ride was smooth and easy as we sailed off into the sunset, taking lots of pictures to capture the moment. Eswatini has one of the largest exposed granite rocks in the world. Right on top of that rock sits Sibebe Resort, which boasts of exclusive views, luxurious accommodation, and Eswatini's first water park. Sibebe Resort has a zip-lining cable mounted on top of the rock, which makes the entire experience of Sibebe magical. Mbegezeli Dlamini, the marketing manager, tells us about Sibebe's water park and the zip-lining experience.
One of the things that attracts most of our guests of late is the zip-line. So we have the zip-line up the rock. So it's more famous because it's up the rock. Yeah, but our highest point here at Sibebe, that's where we put our zip-line. So people are able to access the zip-line and they get all the information through our reception. And from the zip line, and then we have the famous pools. We have the famous pools. I think we have the one of the biggest water parks here in the country, in Eswatini, which has now branched into having water slides.
Okay.
Yes, and from the water slides, we have children's water slides and adults water slides.
It will not be a proper experience of Eswatini without having to find out what is it that Emaswati eat when they're in Eswatini. There are wonderful dishes that we have right here in the kingdom. And the first stop that I can tell you about in Eswatini about food is at Laleni restaurant at Mnyamatsini, which is close to Mbabane. It's not the only place. There are many other places all around the country with wonderful and scrumptious meals that we can enjoy in Eswatini. As I continue playing with my friend here, check them out. If ever you want to know about what true Eswatini cuisine tastes like, look no further than Edlaleni restaurant right at Mnyamatsini between Ezulwini and Babane. They offer an array of traditional food made for fine dining experience. Susan Mkonda, who's the manager, told us about their menu and showed us delicious wild berry juice from Tingozi, which is a wild fruit. If you visit Edlaleni restaurant, try this cold beverage.
Kuningi Edlaleni restaurants lekulungisela eMaswati ukuthi angeta atoba ne extra experience ya kudla kwesinfu la Edlaleni because Edlaleni vele se specialize kuko kudla kwesinfu. Edlaleni inawo apps esinfu leswa poklishile are dried. We do like have your ingaka, of which you can use it as a spice ekudleni kwakho ingaka. In Shubaba, we also have an aloe ash, lenema benefits lamaningi empilweni yakho. Bese sibana itingozi juice ke as a beverage lesiyenda la ekhaya Edlaleni. It is a very tasty juice, imnanzi. I'll recommend ukuthi every Swazi should try it. And nale tingaka ke nabo Shubaba because kuyasita kulabo high blood pressure and whatnot. So yeah, eMaswati angeta etakuthengela Edlaleni kuyatfolakala.
The Velvet Monkey restaurant takes its name from the small monkey species prevalent in the bushes of Ezulwini Valley. This is an international restaurant for those dying for an excellent culinary experience. The chef explains.
The menu was set up like in a different advanced way. It started off as like Italian, but then as time went on, we kind of like adjust a bit. And we tried like to accommodate all our customers, you know, because they would recommend certain things, you know, like the Swazi platters and you know. So currently right now we're doing like all sorts of cuisines, you know, Swaziland, French, you know, basically like Velvet Monkey is for everyone. Breakfast. Unfortunately, we don't do breakfast. We only do like lunch and dinner. Yeah, we don't do breakfast. Lunch, you get like things like burgers, pastas, Alfredos, sandwiches, you know, all sorts of those things, you know, and also steaks. Currently, like right now for lunch, we have Ifo chicken. So yeah, which is like for 4 people. So it goes like with pap, cause last what in, you know, people love pap, and you know, we are in a process of changing the menu because Chef Kitchen, like we're very passionate about food. So looking at experience from last year and also like what customers were recommending and stuff. So we're trying to change the menu, you know, so we can like accommodate everyone.
Let's take a short break, and when we come back we have more to show you, more particularly about the cultural aspect of Eswatini. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the show, Mbugelo Buhlebet. Right now, we're just about to take you through the cultural experience of the land of Eswatini so you understand more about the life of eMaswati. We are going to visit the museum. We're going to visit King Sobhuza Memorial Park, all the wonderful, iconic places of the land that show you just the culture and the lifestyle of eMaswati. Let's go. To learn about the cultural heritage of Eswatini, one must try to visit the National Museum and King Sobhuza II Park. The 61-year reign of King Sobhuza II saw the kingdom of Eswatini reach great strides in development. The tour guide Clement Mazia tells us about the history of King Sobhuza and, of course, the history of the country's flag, which has evolved a lot over the years.
lesi sikhumbuto senkosi Sobhuza wesibili lesakhiwe ngekuhlonipha nekukhumbula inkosi Sobhuza wesibili ngulapha khona eMaswati amhlonipha khona aphinze futhi akhumbule nemisebenzi yakhe la endile njengoba ayinkosi nje lebuse live iminyaka lengemashumi lasithupha namunye kuleminye yemisebenzi yakhe ukuthi sikhuluma nje ukuthi livela kangwane elikhululekile linenkhululeko kungoba kwakunguye lobeka sembili kwalitholela livela kangwane inkhululeko ngaphandle ukuthi kucitheke ingadi njengoba sathi ukuthi kuletinye tindzawo bekutholakala ukhanze ukuthi kucitheke ingadi kodwa ke la sine livela kangwane lathola inkhululeko ngaphandle kwekucitheka kwengadi kungako nje labanye mabambonga baye bathi ke umgwaza ngepenseli lamanye amakhosi abagwaza ngetikhali asengicale nje ukuthi lesikhumbuto senkosi Sobhuza wesibili kuleti temfundo sikhona etikolweni noma ke kuyafundziswa ngaso ngoba njengoba umlando walendzawo ubalekile ukuthi eMaswati ati ukuthi kuya ngani lesikhumbuto ukuthi sakhiwe la lesikhumbuto nje sakhiwe la kweqala diningi letintfo letendeka la kweqala ngulapha khona inkosi kuthiwa ke kuZebhudane ngilawa abekelwa khona inkosi iMbandzeni kwesibili ngulapha khona umjeka kaNgwane waphakanyiswa khona 25 April 1967 kanti ke futhi phela ngulapha khona inkosi Sobhuza wesibili sive seMaswati simvalelisele khona ngula kwabanjelwa khona inkonzo ngaphambi kokube amikiswe endase Mbilaneni. Siphinze ke futhi sibe nembukiso ke wesikhashana lapho khona sichaza ngemlandvo wemjeka wakaNgwane netintfo mhlambe letendeka ngaphambi kokube livela kaNgwane lithole inkululeko lokufaka ekhathi ukuthi ke nalomjeka wakaNgwane nje lemibala isho ukuthini ngoba imibala yanomjeka wakaNgwane isho lokuthite ngelive leMaswati.
Have you ever wondered what a Swazi homestead looked like in the pre-colonial times? One way to get this full experience is by visiting Mantenga Cultural Village, which is housed in Mantenga Nature Reserve. The tour guide Paul Malinzisa welcomes all guests with information on the rules and conditions that govern the Swazi homestead. Be sure to join Mantenga Cultural Village dancers as they display the different dances done by all groups in the Kingdom of Eswatini.
Ngatheni likhaya nje mangabe lalide tinkomo kwakusho ukuthi leli khaya lelo liphuyile kanti mali netinkomo kwakusho ukuthi leli khaya lelo linjingile kwakulibhangele eMaswati ngoba phela sasithola umcuba sitothele emasimini makusede bomanyolo sithole sivuno lesihle sisenge ekhaya sidokwati ukuthola libisi nemasi noma babe afuna kulobola bomake kwakuphinze kuthathwe letinkomo kulotsholo ngato bomake liguma kuba nginaki lokula embi kwalomnyango lokulama maceleni lokuhlanganisa leli khaya kulende libe lihle lokhu kasikubiti kona ngekwakuthi liguma sikubita ngekwakuthi sichiya nyalo ke bonkhosi siyakagogo gogo ngumake walo babe wala khaya la sikhona khona ke sikagogo gogo ngibabe wala khaya leli lidladla lakagogo lekuphekela lela lidladla lakagogo lekuphisela nje mangabe kwendiwe kudla kwemadlodi noma kuyawuphuma umtsimba ekhaya gogo uphisela lapha la kuba sekhona ke kusesibiyeni sakagogo lamadladla akagogo ke aya asetshenziswe nginaba bodzadzewethu labahamba bayokwenza mangabe nje babuyile lakha abantu ovakasha bete nabo sibali kuze bangandi uhlukumeda make makafuna kuphekela babe mabafuna kuphekela bosibali bona basebenzisa lamadladla kagogo la sikhona khona nje sisesibuyeni sakagogo kukhona ke lahlala bogogo nabo make netinfombi talakhaya nato baphinze batifundzise ukuthi kuze tikhule tibe bomake bakusasa kufuteke tende njani kude nje wesilisa lokuvumeleke atholakale ahleli la emini lahlala gogo nabo make netinfombi talakhaya lena ke bonkhosi yindlu yakagogo yindlu lemcoka kakhulu kithi thina eMaswati isemkhathini sini walabo make mangabe nje kuyenteka ukuthi labo make kabasabonisane ngaliso linye nalo lomunye make kuze bangade ucabana munye udodade obika kugogo gogo bese uyayicatulula inkinga. Bonkosi hawu nyalo sengidanthatha siyobukela umgidvo wesiswati.
I hope you learned a lot in Mbukela Buhle Bethu about the culture of eMaswati as we took you through the iconic places that tell us more about the lifestyle of eMaswati and of course our culture. Let's take a short break because when we come back there's still more that we have to show you. Let's go. Welcome back to the show, Mbukela Buhle Bethu. Right now, we are about to take you through all the scenic sites that we have in the country. You know, it's the bushfire weekend. Many people want to see what is it that is really so prideful about Eswatini, as they've always heard. The big game parks is the main plug for that one, where you see our wildlife, you see all the wonders and the beauties of the land. Let's go and see what that is all about. Big Game Parks comprises of a collection of safari parks around Eswatini. These include Hlane Royal National Park, Mlilwane Game Sanctuary, Mkhaya Game Reserve, and Gamsholo Bushveld Safaris. Kolani Gama, who is Sales and Marketing Manager, tells us more about the wild animals you can see and of course the entire experience you can have at the Big Game Parks.
Game drives you get the opportunity to actually see a lion. Uyibone live, not TV. You get to see elephants, you get to see rhinos, and then Mkhaya Game Reserve, which is one of our Eswatini's endangered species. That's where you get to see some of the endangered animals. You can go through there, do a game drive or do a game walk. And then we have our newest baby, which is Gamsholo Bushveld Safaris. Banbugaten, they used to know it at Nisela Safaris. You can go there and actually do your game drives. Activities where bantu sifike sibafundise about the Nguni kettles. Nguni kettles, if people know, they have such an alignment makufika ku culture yeMaswati. So mawufika lapho you get to get a bit of a better understanding about the different cows, the colors, what they mean, what you can do with them. So those are the activities that you can actually see.
So this is the nyala, which is the female nyala. Remember that we said it have got a brown coat with a white vertical stripe. So that one over there. Oh wow, guys. Some impalas. 2 males of the impalas. Just ahead of us. Yeah. 2 males of the impalas. And to recognize them that it's an impala, when you look at their back, they've got the 3 black stripes, which is marked like M. So and also when you look down here, you can see the big pile of them, of their dungs. So where they show to mark their territory, they can display this. And also as a big group, when they are like females and the males together, so they always just used to put the dungs on the same spot, so that even the young one, if maybe they get scared of something, just make them run away. Lost the group. So the one which maybe just get lost from the group, it can just comes back if it doesn't find the group and start to smell here, so that it can just able to smell the other head where they are.
Nati Lukele, our travel guide for the day at Gamshola Bushveld Safaris, took us on an afternoon drive where we saw many birds and animals. Lukele advised us that the best time to go on a drive is early in the morning or later, just before the sun sets. We took his advice plan because next time we go to the game parks, we are going there for an overnight experience, so we get the full Eswatini wildlife experience.
Netilwana sitibonile sahamba boma giraffes, boma zebra, boma wildebeest, timbala. Kukhona letinye lesingakatiboni. Letinjengabo ma water parks, emaphiva. Netinyoni nje inkumbi asikatiboni kahle because nalelanga belishisa. So kahle vele nje inangizana igame drive yethu ikhona yona emini, but njeke siyiqale eminyana kakhulu nithambama lapho khona kungikhathi utatibona tilwane nasekuseni, because lapho tonke tisuke setivuka tifuna kudla, netinyoni lapho tisuke tindizela tisafuna kudla, so kuye kube lula kakhulu kubona lokunene.
I hope you enjoyed everything that was brought for you today in Mbogela Bushebet, where we were showing you the things to get up to in this bushfire weekend. You will continue following us on all our social media platforms. That is our YouTube, mainly the Eswatini TV YouTube channel. That's where our episodes are now found. On Facebook, you can also find me in Text Media, and it's WM Makanya with a blue tick. Until next week, when we bring you more exciting things here on Bushebet, goodbye. Let's go, Neo.